Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include navigation system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, running boards, power passenger seat, navigation system, four-wheel drive, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, home link garage door opener, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.